this video. We just made a new antivirus, and yeah, so what it does is it protects your computer. Windows is for Windows 7. Yeah, dude, so yeah, so, yeah, so, yeah, so, yeah, so we're gonna walk you through it, and, this is made with the help of, my uncle Antonio Rodriguez. Alright, so the first thing you wanna do, first thing you wanna do is you press the download, the green download button. Install. It installs it. It will open a menu. You see here, welcome to Diego. And blah 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 blah. And what Rodriguez Antivirus Pro does is it gets rid of microphone can't stay still. Yeah, so what okay, so it opens the menu, right? And right here you can press run the scan. So when you press run scan, it so what it does, it will like run the scan. Sorry, I'm having mic issues. Why is my mic? Okay, guys. I so it runs a scan through your computer. Yeah, let's give it a try.
Rodriguez Antivirus Pro is now scanning.
Dude, what the fuck, dude? It always happens when I use this. Dude, this always happens. Dude, what the hell? Dude, this always happens when I use the Diego
been detected. Caution. A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected.
Download
Caution.
Rodriguez Antivirus.
A virus has been detected. Caution. A virus has been detected.
Download
A virus has been detected.
Pro at Rodriguez Antivirus.
Caution. A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected.
Pro for free now at Rodriguez Antivirus.
Caution. A virus has been detected.
very good.
Pro for free now at
Caution.
Rodriguez
A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected.
What it does
Caution.
is
A
what you
virus has been
saw.
detected. A virus has been detected.
Download
If you
Rodriguez
guys want to
Antivirus
get
Pro for free now at Rodriguez Antivirus Pro.com.
Caution. A virus has been detected. Caution. Caution. A virus has been detected. Caution. A virus has been detected.
if you guys want to get
Caution.
Pro.com.
A virus has been detected.
like go in the description.
A virus has been detected. Caution. A virus has been detected.
Rodriguez
Really,
Antivirus
really hard on this.
Download
Caution. A virus has been detected.
Antivirus.
A virus has been
Download Rodriguez
detected.
Antivirus Pro for free now
Caution.
at Rodriguez
A
Antivirus.
virus has been detected. A virus has been detected.
On this.
Caution. A virus has been
Download
detected. A virus has been
Rodriguez Antivirus Pro
detected.
for free now at Rodriguez Antivirus
Caution.
Pro.com.
A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected. Caution. A virus has been detected.
Download Rodriguez Antivirus
Caution.
Pro for free now
A virus
at
has been
Rodriguez
detected.
Antivirus Pro.com.
Caution. A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected. Caution. A virus has been
Download
detected.
Rodriguez Antivirus Pro for free
Caution.
now at Rodriguez
A virus has been detected.
Pro.com.
Caution. Caution. A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected.
I promise, guys.
Caution.
Black
A
Ops
virus has been detected. A virus has been detected.
Rodriguez Antivirus Pro for free now at
Caution.
Rodriguez
A virus has been detected.
guys. So,
Rodriguez
Caution.
Antivirus Pro for
A
free
virus has been detected.
Antivirus Pro.com.
yeah, so.
Caution. A virus has been detected.
Stay tuned.
A virus has been
You
detected.
guys.
Caution. A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected. A virus has been detected.
Rodriguez Antivirus Pro.com.
Like and subscribe. See you.
Caution.